Hey there, Treviso fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're taking a look at our newest listing. It is Trevi Court, Unit 5326. This is the Birkdale floor plan, part of the non-golf line of terrace condos that you're going to find here at Treviso Bay. Let's walk in and take a look at this unit. First off, take a look. They added a screen door out here so you can open up your hallway leading into your home. Really nice way to set that up. The Birkdale is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. As we come into the hallway to the right, you've got the master suite here. That's a king-size bed there for perspective. This home is being sold turnkey, so all of the furniture and items that you see are being included in the sale. Here on the left, we have a closet, as well as on the right, that's more of a walk-in style closet. Then you've got the bathroom here with a standalone shower. You've got the single sink, the commode, and then a nice decorative hutch there for additional storage. There's also a pocket door here for privacy. Now, as we come out of the master here, we're going to go straight across, and this is where you're going to find the guest bedroom. And then you've got the bifold closets there. And just off the guest bedroom is the guest bath with the single sink, the commode, and here you have the combination tub and shower setup. Now coming back out into the main hallway here, this is where you're going to find your laundry space, right behind these bifold doors. So plenty of room for a full-size washer and dryer and additional storage above. Now we're getting into the great room area and kitchen. So this all opens up really nicely here in the Birkdale. So you've got your great room, you've got your kitchen, and then you've got your dining right there in the corner. Nice stainless appliance package, white cabinets. Really nicely done unit here. You've got the hutch here. 6-top here overlooking your water views. And then really awesome view here from your flat island out into your great room. This is also a pull-out sofa, so you do have extra sleeping here in the living room if you need it. And last but not least, we have the views from the exterior lanai. You've got a beautiful lake view out here, which just past that is the preserve, so that will never be built upon. So this is your view here from the corner style lanai that the Birkdale offers. All right, folks, so this is our newest listing here in Treviso Bay. Again, it's being offered turnkey, so everything you see in the photos is being included. If you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle, and we appreciate you watching.